Hi, I'm Gigi.
And I'm Jeff.
And we're living simply in Florida. Today we thought we'd just show you a little bit how we organize our life and keep it simple in our bedroom and what a little bit of Florida looks like. So this is how we've done our closet. It's a pretty good sized closet. And I'm basically trying to just keep this little section over here for my clothes. So if I can just have just these few things, I think that'll be good. And then I have, some folded clothes underneath and a little piece on the side just for my shoes. And I'm even trying to eliminate a lot of those. Right, this section right here, I have my crafting supplies for now because my grandson is in what I was using as a craft room. And then we just have a little bit of storage on the top. And that is about all I'm going to use for this space. So the rest of the closet, we have to organize a little bit better. And Jeff's going to work on his side of the room here. And basically, we could probably organize the sound equipment and the rest of the things that we have in the back to make this space even more functional for us. But that's what's working for us now, just keeping it simple with just a small amount of organized clothes, all on wooden racks, just to make it look better. All but one at the moment. And, just keeping things functional and easy. Simple living. Coffee table that's supposed to pull up to like a workbench type area or like a desk size, but we found that the legs were too short, so we ordered new hairpin legs to extend it so that we can actually sit up. So I decided to spruce things up a little bit. Instead of all the teal, I'm adding some navy blue. So I'm painting the pot here and some of the pots around. Added some cushions and pillows, and then over here added some more cushions and painted that table right there. And then this, I wasn't sure if I should do it as two colors, but I don't like it, so I'm going to finish that. And then I even added a little bit of the more navy color on the top, which I'm not done with yet. So that's the project for today. It's really hot out. So all of those will be painted some way, and it's so hot out that it's too hot to work. So this finally has a shady spot, so I have to finish this. But there it is. Until next time, ciao.